Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the construction steps for windmill using Curio Mini parts. In step 1, we will take one C plate, one L plate and connect it using 2.5-inch bolt and nuts here. The L plate is standing on the C plate. Then we'll connect one DC motor with motor shaft. The motor shaft is coming out of the central slit here and it is at the bottom of the slit. We'll also connect one flat rotator using a 0.5-inch bolt and nut such that one hole is available here for us to insert an axle to mount the gear in our next step. Let's go to step 2.
In step 2, we connect one medium gear onto the motor shaft and secure it with a shaft lock. Then we connect a gear B with small axle. The axle is inserted into the hole created using flat rotator in earlier step, and onto the axle after the gear we have put two spacers and it is secured using a shaft lock from behind the L plate.
We'll go to step 3. Here we'll create the fan blade of the windmill. We'll use two single bars and put them in a plus fashion and connect it using one flat rotator and two 0.5-inch bolts and nuts in this fashion. Now we are going to mount this assembly which we created in step 3 onto our big gear which we created in step 1, and we will secure that using one shaft lock here. And that's our windmill. I hope you find it easy to construct and enjoyable to operate. Do let us know your experiences through comments under our video, and we'll meet you again with another video. Bye bye.